What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got the Traxxas Bandit vxl. Yeah, my wife got this for my birthday because she heard me talking about it, and I wanted to get it. You know, this is one of Traxxas' cheapest and fastest cars. 70 miles an hour out the box. I ain't gonna be able to test that today, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go over some of the features it has, go over some of the things that come in the box. I really wasn't gonna do an unboxing, but it might as well. Shoot, y'all get to see it at the same time I see it. Starting on the outside of the box, what do we got? This is the color. Not too sure. This is one of the new colors they just came out with. It comes with the Velineon 3500 brushless motor, the VXL 3S ESC, high torque digital servo, of course oil filled shocks. This is what it comes with in the box. You got your manual, you got stickers. Why is this not focusing? You got your manual, you got stickers, some shock spacers. That's just a speed pinion. You got your speed pinion in there, extra clip. I don't know what this is. Now let's get to the car. Ooh. This has 2 clips. Oh, no wonder they give you 2 clips. Let's take the plastic off. Yeah, that look nice. I like that wing, but I heard a lot of people have a problem with this wing. I don't have a wheelie bar. Got some weight to it. Yeah, this looks nice. I like this new body. You have the colors of pink, purple, green, and black, but the combination looks tight. Then you had the black chrome tires, front and rear. This is only a 2-wheel drive. Bandit only comes in 2-wheel drives. This car is sweet. Yeah, this was a birthday present from my wifey, and I like it. Okay, this, y'all never had a Bandit? They go underneath the chassis. This is clean. Is this thing gonna ever look again? Okay, this is we got adjustable turnbuckles on here. You got oil filled shocks in the front and the rear. There go the ESC motor. And this car looks epic. The the rear drive shaft is plastics. The arms look a little thick. We got the transmitter, TQI transmitter, Bluetooth capable, but you got to buy the module separately. 2.4 gigahertz. This is Traxxas basic, you know, it come with all these brushless lines. The radio takes 4 AA batteries. This is my first run on the Bandit vxl 3S. 1/10 scale. So far, I got good handling. I do need a wheelie bar. Got good suspension, good handling, speed. Hopefully I don't flip it. I'm not going to do a dirt run. I'm going to just do a street run. I don't want to dirty it up already. Pretty fast. Full. Oh! Oh man, it was a nasty little flip. Landed back on his feet though. Looked like I bent the wing up a little bit. No damage. Oh yeah, it can't handle the grass. Kinda figured. Oh, that's enough of that. I done got it dirty. And I'm only running this on 2S right now. Only on 2S. It's only 2S's that's wheeling like this. Don't handle grass too well though. Handle rocks, street. Oh yeah, I like this. Nice control slides. Ooh. Yeah, I'm beating up these tires. I'm gonna have to get some. These tires are not gonna last. Yeah, this thing is nice. I knew the Bandit was good though. This ain't no surprise. Got good handling, nice speed, nice and stable. You know, I bring the front end up a little bit. I can imagine on 3S probably get a little bit extra wiry, but you know, I mean, it's pretty good so far. I'm gonna do a speed test next on this car. That'll be my next video, and I'm gonna have it up against another car, which I won't tell you. You'll find out in the next video. This is Phillyswords RC, and I'm